Very good morning, students. How are you? I think you may all are fine, right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, students. In last class, we have learnt LCM by the prime factorization method, right? Students, in this class, I am going to teach you LCM by common division method. Okay, lowest common multiple or least common multiple by common division method. Okay, students, for example, first let us consider number 14 and 42. Okay, in this method, we should follow the some steps. Okay, so here given numbers are 14 and 42. Okay, and here first we need to divide by the smallest prime number. Okay, and which can divide at least one of the numbers. Okay, here the smallest prime number which divides these two numbers here is 2. Okay, all of you see here 2 sevens are right, and 2 21s are 42. Okay, here 2 sevens are 14 and 2 21s are 42. Okay, all of you see here 2 divided by 14. Okay, it divides directly, right? 2 sevens are 14. Okay, and 0 0, and here 42. Okay, all of you see here 2 twos are okay, here 2 twos are 4. Okay, 4 minus 4 0, and bring down this 2 here, and 2 ones are 2. Okay, and again 2 minus 2 0. Okay, like this. Okay, again here we got 7 and 21, right? Here the smallest prime number which can divide at least one number here is 3. Okay, all of you see here 3 is the smallest prime number. Okay, here from 3 we can't divide 7, right? So bring down 7 as it is. Okay, here 21 completely divides by 3. Okay, 3 sevens are okay, 3 sevens are 21, right? Okay, now we got 7 and 7. Okay, here the smallest prime number which can divide these numbers is only 7, right? All of you see here 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are okay, and here the smallest possible prime numbers, students, all of you see here in this row. Okay, here in last we get prime number only. Okay, and now we need to multiply all the factors and the numbers in the last row. Okay, to get the LCM. Okay, so all of you see here, therefore LCM of least common multiple of 14 and 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, all of you see here. Now I am going to multiply all these factors. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 sevens are 42. Okay, so LCM of 14 and 42 is 42. Okay, students, here another example is find the LCM of the following numbers by the common division method. Okay, here given numbers are 30 and 40. Okay, and here the smallest prime number which can divide these two numbers is 2. Okay, here all of you see here the smallest prime number which divides these two number is 2 here. Okay, and now we are going to divide. Okay, 2 15s are 30. Okay, 15 twos are 30. Okay, and next here is 2 20s are 22s are 40. Okay, 220 is a 40. Okay, and next here next numbers is 15 and 20 we get here, right? The smallest prime number which can divide at least one of the number here is again 2 only. Okay, all of you see here. From 2 we can't divide 15. Okay, bring down as it is. And here 20 divides by 2. Okay, 2 tens are 20. Okay, here we get 15 and 10 again. Okay, and here the smallest prime number which can divide at least one of these number here again is 2 only. Okay, all of you see here. From 2 again we can't divide, right? So bring down as it is. 15 here, and here 2 5 is a 10. Okay, here 10 divides, right? 2 5 is a 10. Okay, and again here we got 15 and 5. Okay, here the smallest prime number which divides these two number is now 3. Okay, all of you see here. 3 5s are okay, and from 3 we can't divide 5, right? So bring down as it is. Okay, and now the smallest prime number which can divide these two numbers 5 is number itself, right? 5 only. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay, and here we get the prime numbers, okay, in last row. So here, okay, so now we need to multiply all these factors and the numbers in the last row here to get the LCM. Okay, all of you see here. Therefore, LCM of least common multiple of 30 and 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, now I am going to multiply these numbers. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. All of you see here, 24 into 5. Okay, 5 4s are 20. Write 0 here. Again take 2 carry, and 5 2s are 10, right? 10 plus 2 12. Okay, 120. Okay, right here. So we got LCM of 30 and 40 is 120 here. Okay, students, here another example is find the LCM of the following numbers by the common division method. Okay, here given numbers are 12, 16 and 20. Okay, 12, 16 and 20. Students, here they were given three numbers, right? Okay, students, here also the smallest prime number which can divide the all these three numbers is 2 only. Okay, all of you see here. 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 2 8 are 16, and 2 10s are 20. Okay, again here also we got 6 8 and 10. The smallest prime number which divides these three numbers are again 2 only. Okay, here 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. Okay, and here again here we get 3 4 and 5. The smallest prime number which can divides at least one of these numbers here is again 2 only. Okay, all of you see here. From 2 we can't divide 3. Okay, right? as it is. Bring down these number. Okay. And here 4 divides by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Okay. And from 2 we can't divide 5. Okay. Bring down as it is. Okay. So here we got all the prime numbers. Students, so here in last row we got prime numbers. Okay, to multiply all the factors and the numbers in the last row to get the LCM. Okay, so therefore LCM of 12, 16 and 20 is, okay, all of you see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay, now I am going to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 5s are, okay, all of you see here, 48 into 5. Okay, 5 8s are 40, write 0 here, take 4 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 carry, 24. Okay, we got 240. Okay, 240 is the LCM of 12, 16 and 20. Okay, students, in this class we have learned LCM by the common division method, least common multiple of by the common division method. If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.